Ibotta is a mobile app company. We provide cash back on everyday purchases. We're the first destination people go to before they go into a store or complete a transaction in the mobile commerce space to get cash back on their everyday purchases.
Data is one of the most important parts of our relationship with our clients. They really rely on the data that we provide them to ensure that not only are they reaching the right consumers at the right time, but that they're really able to hone in on the customers that they're looking to reach.
The first day I got here, our chief operating officer was like, you probably need to scale this team. The client base is growing. At this time, maybe it was 200 clients. They were building dashboards in Excel on a weekly basis and passing them over to clients. With Looker, in 3 months, we were able to spin up this external-facing client dashboard that allowed us to get clients real-time access to their data at any given time.
We give every client a dashboard when they launch a campaign. What they're able to do is access that dashboard at their own fingertips and really be able to look at the data live on a daily or weekly basis. So the campaign is running and they want to know how many people are redeeming my offer in Texas, or what is the retailer that is getting the highest redemptions? Is it Whole Foods? Is it Walmart? Is it any liquor store? Things like that. So we're really able to help them understand where in the US people are redeeming their products.
I think one of the biggest wins my team has had from a data perspective is the ability to connect the external data with the internal data in a real-time fashion. Without Looker, I don't think we would have been able to get there in a sort of a great automated way, but now we're able to funnel our external data into a table and our internal data match it together and really be able to see in real time, search is performing this way and Facebook's performing this way, which is really unique. And so I think working with Looker and the fact that Ibotta has really prioritized supporting data and making analytics a big foundation to every department here, it has made life that much easier for a manager like myself to be able to really optimize campaigns, speak across departments, and make sure we're all speaking the same language.